The most advantageous things of pointers is dynamic memory allocations. So it will allocate memory dynamically whenever required and deallocate memory whenever not required. Suppose we never know the exact size of array until the compile time. The size of array we have declared initially can be sometimes insufficient and sometimes more than required. Dynamic memory allocations allows a program to obtain more memory space while required and to release the space when no space is required. So these are the four functions used in dynamic memory allocations. These functions are stored in stdlib.h header file. So to use these functions, you should always include the standard library header file in your program. Malloc stands for memory allocation. Calloc stands for contiguous allocation. Free means it will free the memory, and reallocate means it will reallocate the memory. So malloc is used for allocating the memory. If we want more memory, we will use malloc function, and this is the syntax. ptr is equal to cache type star malloc and byte size. ptr stands for pointer. So here is the example. ptr is equal to cache type is int star malloc memory allocation 100 into the size of int. So if suppose the integer size is 4 bytes, we are allocating, changing the memory 100 into the size of int 4. 100 into 4, 400 bytes of memory we are allocating. In case we required in a program to store some variables or calculate, we need more memory, we will use this function. And calloc. Calloc stands for contiguous allocations. The only difference between malloc and calloc is that malloc allocates single block of memory, whereas calloc allocates multiple blocks of memory. It is used for array of memories. ptr is equal to cache type. This is the syntax. Calloc n into n comma element size. ptr int star calloc 25 is the array size and size of the int. So it will allocate 25 of the int sizes to the pointer ptr. In case you want to reallocate the memory, we can use realloc function. It is used in case like in one function we need more memory and in another function we need less memory. So after allocating some more memory, we can reallocate and resize it. Free memory. We can free the memory allocated if that function does not require any more, or the function gets executed and the next step is getting ready to get executed. Then we will use free and free the memory allocated to the previous pointer. So this is the use of dynamic memory allocations using pointers. So that's it for now.